It says a woman runs 12 kilometers towards her north. Now अब इसमें एक चीज समझो, towards her north कुछ नहीं होता है. There is no your north or my north. North is north only. तो ये थोड़ी सी वर्डिंग्स गलत थी यहाँ पर यूपीएससी की. देर इज़ नो हिज नॉर्थ और हर नॉर्थ. जो नॉर्थ है वो हमेशा ही नॉर्थ है. इट इज़ नॉट कि मैं इधर फेस कर रहा हूँ तो दिस इज़ नॉर्थ, मैं इधर फेस कर रहा हूँ तो दिस इज़ नॉर्थ. नहीं, जो नॉर्थ होता है वो नॉर्थ ही है. नॉर्थ, ईस्ट, वेस्ट एंड साउथ आर यूनिवर्सल डायरेक्शंस. देर इज़ नो हर और हिज नॉर्थ. ठीक है. सो विमेन रन्स 12 किलोमीटर्स टूवर्ड्स नॉर्थ, then 6 kilometers towards south, then 8 kilometers towards east. In which direction is she from her starting point? Now understand, let's say she starts from this point. First she runs 12 kilometers towards north, then 6 kilometers towards south. So let's say she is running 6 towards south. From here she runs and comes to this point. This is 6 kilometers. Then 8 kilometers towards east. Now 8 kilometers towards east. From here is running 8 kilometers towards east. In which direction is she from her starting point? Now understand, I'll make this in a coordinate system normal. Let's say this is the starting point, this F is the finishing point, this is the starting point. If I am representing it here, now where will I see this distance is? This total was 12, this was 6, so can I say this distance is supposed to be 6? That means if I'm making this like this is the final point, so this is supposed to be 6, this is supposed to be 8 here. Now they are asking us the angle, in which direction is she from her starting point. So starting point से किस direction में, तो I can see that this is north, this is east, so definitely she is in northeast direction. अब northeast में से भी कौन सा, यहाँ पर you have these two options. These two options as north of east, but how many degrees, whether it is less than 45 degree or it is more than 45 degree north of east. Now you need to understand that 45 degree is the exact middle line between these two directions. So if I need to make exact middle line, this is where you have 45 degree. So for 45 degree, if you look at any point, if you observe any point, its distance from this and this will be same, because it is the exact middle line of between north and east. But if I look at this point, if I am supposed to make the exact 45 degree, how will I see? I'll draw it something like this, that the distance should be 6 from this point and 6 from this point. So this is where my 45 degree line will be. But I know that this point is 8 kilometers, this point is 8 kilometers from here, and it is 6 kilometers from here. That means it will lie somewhere in this region. That means it will lie below this 45 degree wala point. Now I need to see ki whether it is 45 degree or less than 45 degree. If it is lying here, somewhere here in this point, then if this angle is 45 degree, then definitely this angle will be definitely less than 45 degree. So the angle is less than 45 degree north of east. So the person, the woman is lying, the final point is less than 45 degree north of east, towards north of east, but the angle is less than 45 degrees. Let's see the next one.